Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World figure unboxing, and I'm at a special location here in White Rock, British Columbia. Very beautiful beach, and I decided it's the perfect setting to unbox this plesiosaur figure. I just happened to be in the area, so I was like, hey, why not? Let's see. The tide is in right now, so there's no beach line, but there's usually a lot of sand here when the tide's out. So anyways, what a great location. So this figure came out alongside these three Savage Strikes, the monolophosaurus, Charlie, and Stygimoloch. And people are speculating it may be in Camp Cretaceous Season 3. Spoiler alert, now that it's out, we now know it's not. But this is still a very stunning figure. The paint job is amazing. It feels like a real animal with the lighter underbelly and the darker top, kind of like how orcas and sharks, how their patterns are like as fish, predator or prey. From the bottom, they look up and it contrasts with the lighter sky, and then when they look down, it kind of blends in with the darker ocean below. So that's pretty cool. The jaws have articulation, the teeth are separately painted, and the inside of the mouth is also painted along with the tongue, and you get this cool little ball joint where you can rotate the head around and make it look in very dynamic positions. That is very nice. Also, the action feature is a button on the back. You press it, and it kind of flaps its paddles up and down. You can see there on the box. And the tail is posable. You can have it up and down as well. It comes with a little maze and stickers on the back, like all Camp Cretaceous figures, as well as there's a scan code on the flipper. Okay, so let's get this figure out of package. I did not bring scissors, but I feel like we can probably just slip it out. It's not too complicated of packaging. So we'll just slide the tail out first. Boom, got that out. And now we'll just slide the head out. Hopefully that comes a little easier. Perfect, and look at that, no scissors, nice. We'll put the box away, and there we have the figure. It is quite a small size, but that is around roughly how big Plesiosaur was compared to the human figures, which is interesting. It does have a larger relative, Elasmosaurus, which I'm hoping to see sometime down the road. The neck articulation at the base of the body, or where it ends, you can dip it down like that, which is a really cool position. I love that position. You can also have it sticking up, kind of like a classic plesiosaur sticking its head out of the water. We mostly know that the neck of actual plesiosaurs was kept straight and stiff to help it glide through the water, and it actually could not raise its head up out of the water. It was fused together in a straight position, but this helped it glide through the water, kind of like a penguin, with great aerodynamics to catch fish with speed and accuracy. Here's a closer look at the bottom. You can see the lighter color kind of ends before the tail. We'll grab the scan code real quick as well, for those of you who have the Facts app. So overall, I think this is one of the best plesiosaurs so far. I love the colors, I love the details. This is a fun one as it can swim, and the tail, neck, every posability of this figure is really awesome. The color is very realistic along with the patterns. So yes, an overall great figure, and I'm glad this guy came out in a variety of different places, so collectors didn't have to be scrambling to look for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this review and the very amazing background that I was lucky enough to have during this video. I might even do some photography out here. If you guys want to see that, go check out my Instagram at the same handle, Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'll be posting some really nice photography of this figure out here with the sunset and the water. So again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.